Capuchina becomes my girlfriend. I've been waiting for this moment. Balerina Capuchina, I want to tell you something important.
Dancing like this never gets old for me. I could do this all day.
Are you even listening to me? Balerina! All I wanted to tell you is that I love... but Balerina, I just opened my heart for you! It's not fair, Balerina Capuchina! Those flowers are not for you, tra-la-la, you'll pay!
Everything's so shiny over here. Oh, hi, Butterfly. Do you really want to dance with me, too?
Don't ignore me.
Well deserved! So
You little losers! Isn't it too obvious for you? That's right, she'll marry me!
Here, little one. Oh, what was that?
Will you marry
Never seen
me?
anything that shiny in my entire life. Yes, I want it right
And
now.
then losers!
It's over, Balerina.
May I reach
Of
it?
course, honey!
It looks like it's my lucky day.
What? Balerina, I love you! Come back! Oh, don't
So
laugh!
what?
I hate
Hey,
you!
come here.
I'm getting really good.
Help me! I don't want to die here! I'm too flammable for all these flames! Somebody save me! Balerina!
What? What? No way!
You finally heard me, girl! Give me a hand before it's too late!
Goodness, this has to be enough.
That's it, girl! I owe you a big one!
Thank you, Chloe. Huh?
Thank you,
No way! You cannot leave me behind like this! Balerina Capuchina, you little traitor!
Here I go! Yummy! All of you are mine! Yum, yum! Oh, goodness, I love apples! Well, wait a minute! What is going on? I'm in trouble! Huh?
Peaceful day.
I just got stuck in this silly tree! Apples! You'll help me with all this? I can't believe it! I got a pretty good aim, man! Get her! Apple power!
It's my lucky day indeed.
Wait, Balerina! You were supposed to help!
Why do you always do this to me?
It's what you deserve, bastard! Die!
I didn't mean to damage your missiles! Balerina, help me!
Is that Balerina? Don't spoil the fun. Watch you learn, big boy. Wait a second. Where is she going? Not funny. You better take care of this one, partner.
Uh-oh. Goodbye, friends. I never expected anything like this.
This is the best part.
I found my hero. Ballerina, give me a hand, please. Why is she ignoring me? What?
Come on, I almost got it. Wait a second, Balerina Capuchina. Oh, I'm losing balance. Oh.
Nice move, Ballerina.
Yeah, I really love playing with you, my brother. Wait, a ball.
And bring that
Throw it, please.
Swan kick and Stanley. No. You'll
She's
pay for
so
this.
mean.
That's how the choreography ends.
You just danced with our
We'll
feelings.
never forget about all this.
But you're about to learn the lesson. Will I be as good at playing the guitar as at dancing?
It'll be better for you to ask for forgiveness.
I had enough.
Music dancing inside me.
What about feeling some justice?
Excuse me? Sorry, couldn't hear you. You said something?
Really?
It's our chance.
Oh, pretend I didn't hear that. I'm sorry. Well deserved. You all are ready to have your first kiss, so shall we start playing?
Cute. I go first.
Ballerina Capuchina.
All of you were so kind with me. Thank you.
I think I'm feeling lucky. Oh, I was right. Yay! What up, guys? What
It
happened?
took too long to spin
You're
it.
serious? This
I love both of you.
this could end really, really bad.
Don't think bad. We're in trouble.
This could be my chance to kiss the girl I've always liked. Oh, wait. Oh, no.
I'm too shy to
What
do
does
it,
that
Trallalero.
What?
We're
Yeah,
not kissing
shut
now.
up.
Rules are rules. Do it.
I don't want to.
Just face it.
Tung Soho really want to do it.
I don't know what's so funny, you cowards.
Trallalero.
Are you kidding me? I don't want to kiss you, man.
Best game of my life.
That doesn't make any sense to me.
Come on, we need to cheer him up. You got
Are you crazy? Get off me! I'm not playing this game anymore. I had enough.
Let's see who's next now. Can't wait.
What? Oh, you want it, you fool?
Driving me crazy.
Please, I want to kiss her.
It's my turn. I win. Bite the dust,
Yeah,
losers.
who cares?
It's your lucky day.
We don't know who'll be your
It'll
partner
be us
yet.
both for sure.
Us?
Can't be so sure about it. Of course I can. I'm perfect.
Let the ball decide, big guy.
He's gonna kiss somebody else?
What? It makes no sense. All right, then let's make this quickly. I don't like this game anymore. You know what? I'd rather lose. See ya. Assassino Capuchino. Seriously, we don't have to do this. You know the rules, and so do I. This is a nightmare. No, I don't want to kiss you. Call me handsome.
More chances of kissing
Gather
her.
here, boys. The show must go on now. Who's meeting live today? Hey,
I'm all yours.
She's mine.
But I'm more handsome.
who's gonna kiss me?
Screw my last chance now.
Let me get ready for my first kiss. I want to be special.
Of course, Balerina Capuchina. I'll get her. Supposed to be that rude, man.
Don't cry,
That's
guys.
gonna be amazing. No!
Just for me, buddy. What are you supposed to be
Slow
doing?
it down. We're about to know who's gonna be her lover.
Pick me.
Now, model is spoken, but I didn't choose
Choose
us.
us?
No way. Did I just earn her love? So easy. Both of us lost.
Why?
Let's have a coffee.
So sweetie. Why him? We're gonna miss him so much.
Tra-la-la, tra-la-la. Dealing with the fact that he's never coming back is so sad.
The sun must hate us.
We must keep going. Literally,
We
Lorilla.
can't go on like this without water.
Oh, we're too far away from the city and... Wait, what's that shiny thing? Looks like a teapot. I don't think it'll work properly. I don't know. Ah! Oh my! My eyes! Oh, what's going on now? Did I do something I shouldn't have, or what? Wait a second, are those legs? Oh no, what kind of monster is that?
I'm
Lorilla!
Hey, you look thirsty, big guy. Let me help you with some refreshing water, my friend. Take its power.
Water! Oh, dear heavens! I'm feeling stronger than before. Cool!
So much.
What? I can't breathe too well. I think I'm dying. Save me. Just drop.
Don't worry, man. You'll get much more than that.
I'm losing the fight. What? Oh, it's everything I
I'm
needed.
so glad you liked it, Trallalero. Drippy.
Harry Pothead, you gotta give me a hand, man. I haven't had a drink since the last time they tried to cook me. If it keeps going like this, I'll die.
Anything for a shrimp, kitty.
Huh?
Here you go.
Yes, water. Give me more now.
Ow. Leave it to me. You're about to be hydrated.
Awesome. Fresh like a cat out of the ocean. Wait, Balerina looks hurt too.
Am I half full or half empty now? Ouch! Look, it's water.
Just as rains from above. I hope you like
Oh,
it.
yes! You have my thanks.
Here
You know
to
what else
help.
needs help? Mother Nature. Follow me.
I'm starting to feel exhausted, but I need to keep my promise to Balerina Capuchina and save as many lives as possible. Well, it was worth it, right?
We're thirsty.
Here you go. I'll always help all my friends.
Oh, it's the best water I've ever tried, thanks.
Yeah, happy to help.
Sorry, Tut. Can
I
we?
think there's still a little bit left to share among everyone.
Nice to hear it then. Thanks, Hero.
Anything for my friends. Oh,
Water's so healthy and fun. You wanna play?
Catch you if you can.
I really needed a shower. Think you're ready for this?
Amazing. Everything I wanted. But I need more. Hey!
sorry, but I think I can't take this anymore. It was too much for me. This is all the water I got.
You wasted that
It
much?
was nice to meet you. I'd do anything for any of my friends.
We're so sorry for everything we've done to you.
He was such a great
Yeah,
person.
you did great things for us.
know how to appreciate his good water.
So sad.
It's raining. It's what we wanted. Whoa, that's nice. Look, I don't believe it's extraordinary things, but do you think...
Yes! I'll never die as long as the water falls from the sky! I'm happy to see you too!
We learned a great lesson today, thanks to you!
Thanks, guys! And remember, take care of water!
How could something like this have happened to me? No way! I can't believe I'm dead already.
Just calm down.
What?
Don't worry, I'm dead too. Being a ghost is really fun. You'll get used to it.
You're kidding! I don't want to be a ghost anymore!
Tung Tung
Help
Tung
me.
Sahur is to blame for everything.
What?
I made them all just for you, Balerina Capuchina. You're gonna love them.
Balerina, don't do it!
Delicious.
Poison, don't eat it!
Cookies, yay!
Tung Tung Sahur's trying to kill you!
Always win.
I didn't realize how hungry I was. Thanks. Oh, my dear caffeine. What is going on? Is this how everything ends for me? No, please. I can't believe you've done
Balerina, I
this.
couldn't save you!
I need no
Come back
victims.
here, you coward! Wait, Balerina?
This is so weird. What happened? I am a
I
ghost.
tried to warn you, but you didn't see me, Balerina. It was all Sahur's fault, and... Hey, are you even listening to me? What? You're not
I
supposed to...
think you should start
Hey.
enjoying being a ghost. Trallalero,
Are
tralala.
you kidding me? It's not fun. I want to destroy Sahur.
Special cookie for a special friend. Hope you like it.
Bombardier, no!
Tastes like...
What just happened? Am I alive or not? I never thought I could die like that.
What?
Why did you kill me?
It wasn't me,
Shut up!
dude.
You're the last one who saw me alive.
Bombardier, it was Sahur.
They're to die for.
Got you.
How did you do this?
Tung 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 Sahur, you're not alone in this, man.
Hey,
Hey,
The ghost is so funny.
this is a serious matter. Stop killing them.
What's that sound?
Let's get to rest. No, I won't let you get away with it, Tung 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 Sahur. Leave them alone.
So easy.
It doesn't work. Take this little traitor. Oh, it's useless.
Who's next? Fridge?
Yeah. Can I take one? I'm hungry.
Sure, they're all yours.
You're the best, Tung Tung Sahur.
Trap, Friggio Camello.
Wait, is this a trap or not,
I
Sahur?
don't know what you're talking about. They're just
Fridge-o.
cookies.
They smell suspicious.
That's it. Got this. Yeah. Oh, what are you doing, Friggio Camello? This is bad. Dude, you're a ghost too?
I saw a ghost.
See me. What?
I can.
Ah, finally. I'm not alone.
I'll help you stop Tung 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 Sahur. Trippy Dropper, want some cookies?
Oh, Trippy Dropper, don't do it. It's a trap.
I really needed some chocolate, huh?
It's not what you think it is. Stop
You
it.
like my old recipe? Well, I do.
I have to eat that thing.
You have to stop Tung 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 Sahur at once.
Done it.
It's finally working.
All right, what now, Ta-ta-ta-ta?
I think that'll stop it. The lever. Are you ready? Let's end this.
Oh,
This
hurry.
is the last chance we'll have to stop this madness. Ow, that's not fair, man. Calm down. Another test subject. Awesome. Stop this, dude. I have to stop this nightmare.
You almost got it. Hey, leave me alone at once, Tung 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 Sahur. Not fair.
I don't like cookies.